Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll get started here in just a moment. So in today's video, let me zoom in, we're going to be changing out this gas cap right here. You'll notice that mine's missing some of those fasteners and screws, and you can literally just open it. I'm going to be replacing it with something that can lock right there. Let's get started. First and foremost, you want to go ahead and remove these fasteners. These are 4 millimeters. I'm just going to use a battery powered ratchet. Oops. Take the cap off. Now we're going to go to the back tail light. Right here. There's going to be Phillips screws, I mean. We're going to remove those. Give me just a moment, let me reposition the camera. Alright, so you notice these Phillips screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take them out. If this is your first time taking this off, you're going to have to break the seal a little bit, but it's not very difficult. Just kind of wiggle it around. Oh. Okay. Let me go get a flashlight. Now you want to get a flashlight and a flathead screwdriver. Try to shine this in there. I'm going to try to point to it. But there's a tab right here. Try to push it in, and there's one up top as well in this corner up there. So you just kind of push this downward and then try to wiggle it off. So give me just a moment. I'm going to put the flashlight down. You see where my screwdriver is though? Let me take it to the front. So as you push this down, it'll get looser right here and you'll kind of notice it. Watch. I already press it down a little bit. That's pretty much what we're trying to do, just kind of wiggle it off with a flathead. Give it a go. Kind of already see it moving around. This one's a little bit harder to get to. There's a little ring right here. Take it off. Actually, it might be on this cup. Sorry. Pull the cup off. And we'll feed back onto the other one. There it goes. Yeah. Very cool. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. So just zooming out for visibility. I already wiped this all up and cleaned it all up. You're going to take this little rubber ring right here. We're going to transfer it onto your new one. Just like that. You might as well take this opportunity to go ahead and clean this up. I'm going to again transfer it onto the new one. So now I'm going to transfer onto this new one right here. Okay. Give me a moment. It's a little bit easier if you put it in from the back like that, like what I'm doing right here. Uh-oh. All right. So I'm going to attempt to put this on without taking all these bolts off. It should click right in place. There's these little notches right there. I predict it'll go right into this. Let me zoom in. I predict it'll go seat right into this hole. Mine has an extra little nub right here because it is an aftermarket one, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off. Be right back. Sweet. I think that's it. I'm gonna make sure everything's tightened up and buttoned up. But if you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.